Hello guys. Good evening all. Today we are going to discuss one more topic called locators. So we are working on the locators, direct locator access in Playwright, right? Now we have seen get by placeholder and get by role. Get by placeholder and get by role we have seen. I'm creating one more file. Get by text. So get by text locator we will see. Okay. Get by text locator. Okay. Step what we use for. So I'm copying and pasting the same test case. So in this test case, now what I am doing here, get by text, use here get by text. I'm copying and pasting the code. This is the existing, like same code. We are using same code for our testing purpose. And here, so we have created the browser context page. After that, a new page is created, and we launch the URL. We are passing username value and the password value by the help of get by placeholder locator. With the help of get by role locator, I'm clicking on the button. Now, once we click on this button, here, see, here, we are clicking on this button, admin 123, right? Admin 123. Once we click on this button, so here we navigated to the home page, hmm, right? Home page, right? Here we need to verify the text, right? So dashboard text will verify. Get by text, get dashboard text will verify. Okay. Dashboard text we need to verify, right? Go here, await page dot. So get by text. Use get by text. Get by text. Get by text. Mm. So the text now. So get by text locator. What is the text here? Right click on this element. What is the text here? Dashboard, right? Copy this text. Not is visible. Just check is visible. So this is the text. I'm doing the text validation. So await page dot get by text dashboard is visible. So this is the get by text locator. Okay, get by text locator. With the help of get by text locator, I enter text here and I'm asking the script to check it is visible or not. Okay. Yeah, we will run the script now. Okay. Here you change the role to text. The file name I am changing here, the file name. The path is everything is same. The file name I am changing here. To avoid the confusion, to run the script proper, I'm changing the file name. Let it run. Okay, one text got passed right. So this is how you are going to use get by text. I hope this is very helpful, guys. Thank you.